Hey, this is the DIY Magician, and I'm here with another quick tips for entertainers. That's right, this episode will use some magical fairy dust, because when you're doing magic, you need something that can get you the magic fairy dust. And if you wave it over something, just like this, all the magic fairy dust comes out of this little magical wand. That's right, the magic fairy dust. Pixie dust, whatever you want to call it, comes out of this wand. It's amazing. You wave it over like that. Well, of course, you don't try and flash the gimmick because you saw it. Usually I perform with this hand, or I perform over here like this. The main thing is, this is a squeaking wand or device of some sort. It is a combination of two items from the Dollar Tree. That's right. It is the Ninja, what is it? Ninja Blow Dart Shooter. And New Year's Eve, let's see, sometimes they keep them out for Mardi Gras. It's the two holographic horns. Just like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the tube from the blowgun. You are going to remove this little apparatus here. This is the blowing part where you put your mouth on it, like that. You're going to remove that part there, okay? Sometimes you can just unscrew it. Like this one feels like it's going to come right off. Well, maybe not. Or sometimes you're going to have to actually cut it with a little saw, a little hacksaw or something. You remove that, just that, okay? Then you get your holographic horn. You take off the horn part, which usually ends up being bent or mutilated from the store anyway. And you'll have about, let's see here, oh, actually a pretty good amount of space. About as wide as my thumb, right there. You're going to be able to wrap electrical tape, or what I have here is Gorilla Tape. They make a black Gorilla Tape. And you're going to want to build up this bulb part here. Now, when I did mine, it was about a year ago. And when I went to the store recently, I realized that the tubes are now larger. Okay? So you're just going to have to build up a little more of the electrical tape or duct tape on that part there. And then it's just basically pressure fit right in here. So you add as much as you need for it to just fit right in there, and it stays inside. I think I'm going to make a new one. As you can see, it's a more impressive deal. It's a black end. This one I didn't worry too much about because you can hold it in your hand, and if you get it just right, just squeeze the magic fairy dust all over your magical props. So there it is, a squeaking magic wand-like item, and made here from the DIY Magician. So anyways, thank you very much for coming. For those of you who've been here before, thank you for coming back. For those of you who are new to the channel, please, please, please subscribe, and you get all the updates and squeaking horns, squeaking wands, whatever it is. Until next time, this is the DIY Magician.